Okay, this is my 2011 switchblade 8 meter, made by Cabrinha. It's in red and black, blah blah blah. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this kite whatsoever. It's a little bit old and tatty. Been well used, well looked after. Never had any kind of disasters, no rips or tears, no repairs. Still got the original one pump. It's got these little things on here that actually make this quite robust and really help it kind of work really nicely. Holds the air really good. It's 5 strut, so it's really good, really strong. Incredibly simple bridle. This gets a good clean after it gets used every time. It's got this big ass dump valve thing, so it's really easy to pump up really quickly. I suppose it might help if I close that up. Yeah, everything's absolutely fine. I love this kite. Definitely the best purchase I've ever made. So there you go, that's all these little bits. Comes complete with bar and lines, although I don't have the bag. That got stolen, which is a bit annoying. Yeah, it's got 2 attachment points here. All this bridley stuff is still good neck. Everything's absolutely fine with this kite. I can take it out, I mean I'm 75 kilos and I can take it out in anything from 19 or 20 knots. I think the most I have ever had it out in is in Australia in 48 knots. That was a bit hairy, but it's a fucking rad ride. Yeah, this there you go. These things are quite nice. They kind of help it from, stop it from getting scratched. They kind of lift it off the sand and stuff, stop it from wearing out. Yeah, not entirely sure I want to sell this kite, but it's probably best to do it now. Yeah, it's good.